New day, new fix on Lisa's E91. Step 1. Love the problem. This is our problem. The rear passenger window dropped down and don't rise up anymore. I don't think we need any expert to confirm that is the window regulator that needs to be replaced. Let's remove the door panel and see where it's broken inside. What we need are some Torx tool, and if I'm not mistaken, T20 is our number one, and some plastic panel removal kit. Step number 1 is to remove this one. Next step is to remove this one, starting from the bottom. And now you can see there is one screw here, one over here, one here, and I think that's it. More fifth here. So this is out. And last but not least, this one. And the cartridge is out. To remove this part, you can just gently remove the glue, this plastic glue rubber. And then you can even don't need to replace it, you can reuse it. So this is how it looks inside. You see here we have the glass that is fallen down, and you see this is untied, and if you look here you see these parts are loosened, so it's evident that this device, the window regulator, is broken. Actually, it's fixed on the door with these 3 nuts, but before removing it, we have to disconnect from the window regulator the glass. Now it will be a bit tricky because the glass has fallen down, so we have to figure out how to raise the glass up. It should go to a level something around here to permit us from this hole to disconnect the glass. Let's try if we can make it. If I try to pull it up, this is the assistant feet. This is going to be tight, and it prevents us to lift it more than this. In a case like mine, you cannot lift up the glass. The only way to do it is by cutting this cable here. As my little helper helped me, we didn't film, but we cut the wire. And now with the big helper, hopefully we should be able to raise up the window. You see, stop. Okay, you see here there is this only place where you can find the possibility to remove the window. And now we are too high, so it means that we have to lower down a bit till we are in the right position. So lower down, please. you see, this is the only point where we can have access to this clip and to remove the glass. So now, or you have a helper, otherwise you have to use a piece of tape and block the glass in position. Okay, and now the window is free, and this is our way to keep the glass attached. So some tape, and now you see here everything is free. So now we have just to untight these 1, 2, 3 bolts, and it's done. Let's disconnect this cable. Nothing special, just a clip on the back side, and then the 3 10mm screw. This is out. If you wonder where it broke here. But as you see, all these parts are broken. So time to replace these things. But luckily we don't need to replace the entire part. We can disconnect the motor and just replace the mechanism. To remove the motor, you have just to untight these 3 bolts here. That's it, very super easy. Don't be worried if after you have installed the new window regulator and you raise up the window, it will automatically drop down a bit. This means that the pinch control must be resetted, and how to do it is explained at the end of this video, so watch it till the end. Alright, now we have to install this ceiling, and you see, this is this part soft here, must on the glass side, and you have to insert it inside here, must fit over here, and here you see it must go like that, all over all the pieces, and here as well. And of course, before reinstalling the panel, we have to reconnect all the electrical cables, so the the switch that is over here, the speakers, and of course also the handle that is here. This plastic, black plastic part should fit in this forket. Otherwise it will not open. All right. Don't forget this one. And then again the 3 torques. I hope you've enjoyed this video, so please don't forget to subscribe and see you in next video. Ciao ciao!